Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your air filter in your Bandit 1200. Okay, first unscrew the tank. Okay, so second step, you have a little vacuum here, this one. So just remove it like this. Okay, so next step is a little bit tricky. In fact, you have some kind of holder here. The tank is made like this, and the holder of the frame was like this. So you have to move the tank a little bit backwards and put it just on the top of the holder of the frame. If you don't do that, the tank not gonna come out. So turn the petcock to the reserve, raise the tank a little bit, move it backyard. Okay, put it on the top, and now you can remove the tank. Little tip: put the petcock on the rubber here, and the other side, put the edge of the tank on the same rubber but the other side. I'm gonna show you. Like this. So now the tank is holding by itself. So this way you can disconnect. That was the fuel level gauge. Okay. Second step, it's a disconnect the hose for the fuel feed. So remove the clamp here, like that. Okay. And let's go. Okay, so next step, remove the holder of the tank. Okay, so next, unscrew the cover of the box. Okay. Whole can. Gonna clean this, but for now I'm gonna run over a brand new air filter. Oh yeah. So just like that. Yeah. You want to breathe, my baby? Okay, so now just put all back together. There we go. Okay, so this is it for the replacement of the air filter. It's a pretty easy job. I hope this video gonna help you. So comment and like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace, man.